Hello my friend, it's nice to see you again, and here is Captain McHaddock, and this time I will open this Logik microwave oven box, and in the end of this video I will show you the manual also. Okay, let's see what we have here when we open this box. First we have this plate, this one, alright, and what is this? We have this ring also. Okay, and then there is, take this away, and here we have that microwave oven. Okay, and then I will take that from there. Wait a second, we need to lift it a little bit, and there is this oven. Okay, and then I break this box. Wait a second, it's a little bit hard to do with one hand, but because this camera is on the other hand. And okay, where we have that manual. Wait a second. When we open that, we can see the instructions here. All right, and then we just what's them instruction manual. There are those buttons. There's the power button and the timer button. Okay, and here is the manual. Unpacking, getting ready. Here's this introduction and some instructions, and there are some more instructions, and so okay, and thank you my friend, that was my information this time, and have a good day, night and evening, and see you on the next video. Goodbye my friend.